What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna show y'all how to do a really easy and simple floating centerpiece using real flowers. You can find these in a lot of people's yards down south. Um, and sometimes you can just find them on the side of the road. So I'm gonna show you how to make a floating centerpiece out of this kind of flower, and I'm gonna show you the other one. This is the other type of flower I'm gonna be using. Found this in the yard as well. Didn't even know it was out here at one time. So yeah. And there's only one bloom on this particular plant. We got others trying to come in, but not yet. So today we're gonna focus on this beauty right here. So I came back over here to this one first. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this one, and I just got some regular old scissors, y'all. I'm gonna cut this one from down here at the bottom. Okay, and I'll be right back. Got this one harvested. Now I'm gonna go get the other flower. With this one, I'm just gonna tear it off because, you know, it's plenty more where it came from. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this one and just kind of tear it off with my finger, y'all. It ain't gonna hurt the plant, and it comes off pretty nice, actually. Look at that. That is so pretty. Pretty color and everything. I need some lipstick this color. Here is that beautiful harvest for today. Beautiful flowers, y'all. Beautiful. This flower has a little stem on it. So what I'm gonna do is cut it like right here. Try to get it at an angle if you can. This is what you are left with both flowers. A little stem left on that one. And on this one, I just kind of tore it off. So, two completely different flowers. Two different looks. This is my hydrant, y'all. Look, this is what I'm doing. Putting some water in there out the hydrant. I'm gonna fill it about halfway. That's good enough. All right, so it's like halfway, and then just put the flower in there, and it floats. You guys, you can make this look even better with like some little rocks, a little tea light. You can make this look real cute, all natural. So with the red flower, I just took a glass from out the house that I really don't drink out of that much anyway. And it's really thick and stuff. I just filled it up with water. And I'm just going to put the little flower on top. Super, super simple. Again, you can add whatever you want to add to it. You can tie a ribbon around it. You can put, you know, the little rocks, a candle, different color rocks, different color stones and stuff like that. You can find that stuff at the Dollar Tree. Then I have a bonus, y'all. This is just a dandelion in a mason jar. How simple is that? This one was already in the house because I just wanted some nice, beautiful flowers in the house. Any way I could get them. So, yeah, a dandelion in a mason jar. You can put as much or as little water as you want. Just a real easy and free thing to do, y'all. There's a ton of other things you can do with these. You can also take one of these and put it on top of a candelabra or something like that that you have at home, a little stand. You can just sit it on top. You see? And then that's just like a cute little set of decor you can use. Either one of them, y'all. Contrast of textures and colors and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, try this one out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have some fun with it. Get your girls together, do some stuff, save a few coins, you know what I'm saying? share with somebody in need. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one.